Let me start with this question. Have you ever looked at your trading account and felt that uneasy feeling in your stomach? You check your portfolio and think, how is everyone else making money except me? I've been there. I remember staring at my computer screen one day, watching a stock I just bought drop again. I kept asking myself, am I just bad at this? Maybe the stock market isn't for me. But here's the truth I wish someone told me earlier. The stock market is not designed to reward impatience, emotion, or shortcuts. And most people are not failing because they are not intelligent. They are failing because they keep repeating these five terrible mistakes almost every beginner makes. If you've been struggling in the stock market, this video might change how you see stock investing and investing in general. Let's be honest, the internet makes stock market look easy. You see screenshots of people turning 1,000 pesos into 50,000 pesos. You see content creators and YouTubers showing huge profits. You hear stories of overnight success. But what youth don't see are the thousands of people quietly losing money every single day. And if you're one of those people who feel stuck and frustrated about your losses, this video is for you. Today I'm going to share 5 truths about the stock market and that most people learn the hard way. These truths might hurt a little bit. Here's the brutal truth number 1. You're probably chasing quick money. Let's start with the biggest one. Most people enter the stock market for one reason, fast money. Maybe you saw someone on social media making huge gains. Maybe you heard about a friend who doubled their money. So you jump in thinking, this could be my shortcut to financial freedom. But the reality is very different. The stock market is not a get rich quick system. It's a get rich slow system. The most successful investors in history didn't build wealth overnight. They built it through patience, consistency, and long-term thinking. But beginners often want results immediately. So they jump from stock to stock, chase hype, buy after prices already exploded, and by the time they enter, the smart money is already leaving. If you treat the stock market like a casino, the market will treat you like a gambler. Here is brutal truth number 2. You're following noise instead of a plan. Let me ask you something honestly. How do you choose stocks? Is it because someone on YouTube mentioned it? A friend recommended it? It's trending online? It's already went up a lot? If that's your strategy, then you're not investing, you're guessing. And guessing is one of the fastest way to lose money in the market. Successful investors follow clear systems like fundamental analysis, technical analysis, long-term value investing, index investing, but beginners often do something dangerous. They combine random opinions from everywhere. One person says buy, another says sell, another says hold, and suddenly you're confused, emotional, and constantly changing your decisions. Without a strategy, every market movement feels like a chaos. Here is brutal truth number 3. Your emotions are controlling your decisions. This one hurts, but it's true. Most investors don't lose money because of the market. They lose money because of their emotions. Think about these situations. A stock drops 10%, you panic and sell. A stock skyrockets, you buy because of fear of missing out. A stock keeps falling, you refuse to sell because you hope it will recover. These decisions are not logical, they are emotional reactions. The stock market is basically a machine designed to test your psychology. It rewards people who stay calm and it punishes people who react emotionally. That is why discipline matters more than intelligence. Even brilliant people lose lose money if they cannot control their emotions. Here's brutal truth number 4. You're not thinking long term. This is one of the most powerful lessons in investing. Time is your greatest advantage, but many investors ignore it. They check their portfolio every single day, sometimes every hour. Every red number feels like failure, but the greatest investors in the world focus on years, not days. Think about these companies like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft. The investors who made life-changing money did not trade them every week. They held them for years or even decades. And the truth is, the market rewards patience far more than activity. This is the reality. The more you try to outsmart the market every day, the more mistakes you usually make. Here is brutal truth number 5. You have not invested in knowledge. This might be the hardest truth. Many people spend more time researching on phones, shoes, vacations, but they miss spending time about learning the market. They put real money into investment without truly understanding risk management, market cycles, diversification, and valuation. Imagine starting a business without learning anything about business. That is what many people are doing with the stock market. Investing is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time to learn. The people who succeed are not lucky. They are prepared. If you have made some of these mistakes, you're not alone. Almost every investor goes through this stage. I went through it too. I went through losses, doubt, frustration, and moments where I wondered if investing was even worth it. But here's the important part. Those experiences are not failures, they are tuition. Every successful investor has paid that tuition in one form or another. The difference is that some people quit and others learn and improve. So if you're watching this video feeling discouraged about your investing journey, let me tell you something very important. You are not alone and you are not behind. You are just early in the learning process. The stock market rewards people who stay curious, patient, and disciplined. So instead of chasing quick money, focus on becoming a better investor. You learn, you study, you develop a strategy, and most importantly, give yourself time because the goal is not just making money. The goal is building lasting financial wisdom, and you accumulate wisdom every after an experience, whether good or bad. If this video helped you see the stock market differently, make sure to like the video. And you can comment below what has been your biggest struggle in the stock market. And subscribe for more honest investing insights. Because in this channel, we're not chasing hype. We are building real financial knowledge together. And remember, the stock market doesn't reward the fastest. It rewards the most patient.